Hey friends, welcome to IMAT Nerd. If you are planning to take IMAT and study medicine in Italy, then you know that the biggest problem is information is everywhere, syllabus is really huge and competition is rising, and there is no high yield, organized and specific IMAT resources and study material available for you. Now just guess, if you have complete roadmap given to you for absolutely free, how to prepare and how to crack your IMAT exam. Isn't it beautiful? So welcome to IMAT Nerd. I started this channel with one very specific goal, that every single thing that you need to know for your IMAT exam can be present on this channel. We won't be just talking about exam dates, although you will get to know each and every single thing about IMAT, but we will talk more about science and strategies to help you crack this exam, to help you score 70 plus in your IMAT exam, to help you secure your medical seat in Italy. So what exactly you are going to get on this channel? Firstly, we will start with biology, chemistry, physics, math, logical reasoning, high yielded topics. I will break them down and help you to understand the literature and the science behind them so you can master them. And then we will move on to second thing, which is solving past papers and tons of question banks, because you can understand the logic behind them. Now, on the back of these, you will be getting tons of free resources from syllabus, from books, from PDFs. Then we will move on to question banks, mock exams, lectures. This is really important. On this channel, you will be getting lectures for each and every single subject. Of course, there will be tons of formula sheets available for you. I will make them really highly organized so you can have easy to understand them and ease to study them. And most importantly, you will be getting free notes, free illustrations, flowcharts, and tons of animations and free video lectures and resources. Of course, if anyone wants all together, all the resources bundled together from A to Z, they can have the biggest crash course available on imatnerd.com. You can check that out. But again, most of the things that you need to know for your exam and to help you score 70 plus, every single thing will be free on this channel. Now, if you want to crack IMAT, then just subscribe this channel and wait for new lecture. And most importantly, you will have the access to community. So you can check out the community link, WhatsApp community and Discord community link below. So you can join it and follow imat.nerd on Instagram, so you can have all the news and updates what we are going to do, and we will be having tons of live sessions as well. And now, if you have any questions, you can ask on Insta, imat.nerd, or you can send me an email at info@imatnerd.com. So that was it for today. Just join it, subscribe this channel, and I would love to hear what university you are interested in. Just tell me in comment box, and see you in next video. Till bye bye.